Uh, yeah? What? Hello. Oh. I'm Cyril again. I'm Cyril. How are you? Hey, what are you doing today? I'm just sitting here in front of a PC. What are you doing? I don't know yet. I'm just staring at you, watching every move. What? Look at the studio. Anyway, what are we gonna do? I'm just gonna look out the window. My God. Bloody hell. What? Look at that girl. Cool. Silly idiot. What's the matter? Don't you say that to me, you silly arse. I don't know what I haven't got a clue what I'm doing here. You know, it's just so bottle of beer. Can you say bottle of beer? Bottle of beer. 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 Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Who's that? Where? No, that's you, and that's me. All right. Oh my God, what? I feel like being sick. Again? No. What's the matter? What? No, I'm just gonna change my voice now. Well, I just wanted to, well listen, I'm going to change my voice. See what you think of it now. Do you think this is better or yes? I don't know. What are you looking at? I don't really know. Did you say that? You are a silly arse. Look at it. Go on. Look around. What's that? What? What? He's an idiot. Who? Him? Yeah. Oh God, I'm just going to start. What? I'm gonna start. You smell. Did you do that? No, you did. Good God, you can't say it, can you? You know what? You absolutely. Did you know what? What? You absolutely. You knew your lips then, didn't you? I just farted. You what? I just farted. You farted? Yes. Listen. What are you doing? I'm gonna fart. I just done a what? I just farted. You farted? Yes. In other words, I passed wind. You did? Yes. I'm gonna thank. What? Look at me when I'm talking to you, you silly arse. Now look at me. What? I'm going to say bottle of beer, 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 bottle of beer. No, bottle of beer. No, bottle, bottle, yeah, bottle. Hey, you just look, son. Don't you ever look at me like that again, 'cause I'm gonna start again. Look at that, I got it in it. Bottle of beer. What? Bottle of beer. What are you doing now? I'm testing the angle. Hang on, I'm just gonna cut my leg up. Hang on. You done it again, didn't you? You done it again, didn't you? Look. You're twisting me around, you silly arse. Can't you look at this? Anyway. Ciao. Enjoy. Enjoy. Do you think everybody will like us? No. You sure? I don't know, and I don't care. What? I'm gonna bend the spoon. You what? I'm gonna bend the spoon. The spoon? Yes. Go on then. Anyway, well listen, we'll have to crack on, yeah? Yeah. Ciao. See you later. See you later. Take care. Oh, well, there you go. Alright. What? I'll talk to you later. Yeah, okay.